Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what's inside my mini Pochette or Louis Vuitton mini Pochette. So this one, so you can use this as a clutch because I bought this because I want to use this, for example, if I'm going somewhere that I'm going to use or to bring only my wallet and some essential stuffs. So what's inside, what you can put inside in this bag. So for example, this is iPhone 6 and yes, perfectly you can put it, like it's kind of tight but you can put it there. And also the key clay wallet, I can put it also inside. And a car key here. And also I was planning to put, for example, if you're going to a party, you can put a lipstick. So if, as you can see, it's kind of tight now because this is very small, very small. It's so difficult to close this actually, but eventually you can still close this. So you can bring this like shoulder bag, very small, or you can just hold it like this, like a clutch. And this chain here, you can transfer it to another buckle, so you can be like that, like a bracelet. And also I bought a strap, like a gold strap or a sling from eBay. I can't remember the exact price of this, but I think it's like 5 euros or more, but less than 10 euros, but maybe 5 euros or less. I can't really remember. You can put this on the buckles. And this other chain, you can put it in the front. So this would be